lunch?
DNA wasn't used then. The guy wasn't working, didn't have an alibi, couldn't remember where he was.
Where were you Thursday night, 2 weeks ago, say 8:45?
I'm not home.
Exactly. This guy was an innocent man, and I helped put him away. I made the people's case against him with weak evidence. That jury believed me. How many innocent men have been cleared lately with DNA?
Few.
Even one wrongfully imprisoned man is too many.
You sound like a legal aid lawyer. They lose their lunch if they stomach what we deal with every day.
The guy paid a debt he didn't know. But what about the rape victim? She's not getting any justice either. The real perp got off. Statute of limitations is up.
System's already got his pound of flesh from Eric Plummer. He's a victim.
He's your guy. He's a predator, not a victim.
We blame all kinds of people for creating monsters. Why not ourselves? Let's see some ID. No, out of my way! Out of my way!
Away, ma'am. We're FBI.
What the hell are you tailing me?
Detective detail.
I told Franklin I didn't want one.
The FBI, ma'am. Detective Stabler ordered the detail.
Oh, he in trouble now. You in trouble? If my battery can last this long.
I didn't tell you about the detail because I knew you'd refuse.
Only the rat squad puts cops on other cops, Elliot, without telling them. I deserve better than that, especially from you.
You've been under a lot of stress lately.
I'll always back your play.
And I did what I had to do. You guys murdered 4 people. What's this stopping from coming after you, is it?
If you can't trust your partner, Elliot, it's time to get a new one.